welcome back to a new daily life video. Finally one back here in LA. I'm so happy to finally be living back in my home with my own bathroom, with my own stuff, I would say. Still own you guys the whole renovation video. I'm really busy editing it and it's a lot of footage. Hopefully in the next coming weeks it will come out. Just try to be patient. Anyway, I want to take you today through my day. I have some work stuff to do, and then actually tonight is going to be a lot of fun. A friend of ours, Matt, has a premiere of his short film. Kind of a very chic, like formal black tie event. I can't even remember when the last time was I had a black tie event. But yeah, this will be like fun once in a while. I'm actually going to have someone do my makeup and hair today because why not? I was like, let's make a special night out of this. Okay, so I wanted to do a quick little skincare routine and kind of do a little bit of a basic makeup. So in the morning, I keep it very simple right now. I always start with a serum to really hydrate the skin. And I've been trying this one, hyaluronic acid serum from Facile. My go-to normally is Dr. Barbara Sturm, but I run out, so I'm just going to use this. I wash my hair, best feeling ever. I normally immediately do my workout in the morning, but honestly today I was just like not really feeling it, so I thought it would be just kind of good to give my body a rest. I feel I've been like listening to my body way more than before. Before I would like push through and I have to like feel out when I need a workout or when I need to give my body kind of a rest to recover. Today is going to be more of a chill day. I actually put a hair mask in as well. I use this one from Gisu in the shower. Okay, for face cream, I'm going to use this Dr. Barbara Sturm. This is actually travel one. I'm running out of all my products. Okay, add some moisturizer. I also feel a little puffy because Max and I went on like a date night last night to Felix, which is like a famous Italian spot here in LA, and we had like so much pasta and stuff, so I feel like a little bloated. So I'm going to use my gua sha, kind of get it out. Cheekbones back to life. And then there's actually a new product I have been obsessed with. I don't really love putting a lot of foundation on when I'm just like at home. I have been using Tinted Moisturizer by Laura Mercier. It's oil free, also has SPF in it, like sunscreen, and literally gives the right amount of coverage. So as you can see, I'm just going to put this on and I really love it. Anyway, I just want to share that with you. I'm going to do my makeup quickly and get ready for today. Okay, I did a super basic makeup. Okay, what do I wear for a day at home to be comfy but productive? I feel like a human being, completely reborn. No earrings today because this is my jewelry box right now. It's an absolutely total mess, so that is for another time. Okay, I'm going to get ready before I'm going to get some work done. All right, I'm going to grab some tea, my scene. Here we go. Morning routine ready. With my morning tea, or normally morning matcha, I also take my Seed Daily Symbiotic, and I actually want to thank Seed for sponsoring today's video, and I will tell a little bit more about them. 2 tablets every morning and have a little gut health talk. All right, Over the last few weeks, I've been diving a little deeper into like gut health. I've been reading a lot about it, and I've actually been reading a lot on Seed's website. They're backed with so much science. It is really, really interesting. I will link their website also down below so you can take a look at it. I'm not a scientist, but to make it very short, basically your body is made out of 38 trillion microorganisms. All these organisms and bacteria together in the microbiome are mostly located in your gut. There's so many external factors which make your gut healthy. This is mostly like your lifestyle, could be medicine, sleep, movement, and very important, nutrition. Seed is actually a symbiotic, which means it's a probiotic and a prebiotic in one. And a lot of people think that probiotics is just for healthy gut, but it is actually way more than that. This symbiotic has been scientifically studied for its benefits like gut immune function, skin health, heart health, and micronutrient synthesis. This formula is actually really, really interesting because the way they designed their capsule, they call it the 2-in-1 delivery technology. Often when you take a probiotic, like a live organism, when you take it, it gets ruined by stomach acid or digestive enzymes in the body. But the way they make the technology in the capsules, it is able to go all the way into your body and really reach those far intestines. Also, when you get this in the mail, their packaging is all sustainable and recyclable. It's made out of like an algae. They also send every month like a refill bag, obviously less waste and more care for the planet. I am a huge fan. I feel like less bloated and overall really, really good. I take it like an hour before my breakfast, my first meal of the day. If you want to learn more, I will link it down below. I also have a discount code for you. It is Sanne15, and you can also click on this link down below if you want to try it out. But yeah, I'm a fan. Anyway, I'm going to finish up my tea and get some work stuff going. And yeah, that's it for today. So, for the event tonight and for our wedding weekend I have this weekend, I'm very excited. A lot of people go off to a lot of weddings, but yeah, I've only been to one wedding in my life. So I'm excited for this weekend's wedding, and honestly I was like, I don't have anything to wear because my closet is basically switch sets, loungewear, everything you wear at home. So I ordered some things at Revolve. I ordered a little, so I'm going to return most of it, but I just wanted to try. Also my pants, I cannot wear white pants. Like they literally got dirty in 1 second and I just washed them. Terrible. I don't know if a white dress is a good idea. So cute, I see pink. Try it on. Dress number 1. I really love it. I love the deep V. I often feel like if you have kind of like wider shoulders, often a V works better with your body than kind of like high necks. So that's why I chose this, but I actually really love it. It's very like James Bond vibes. Love it. I actually tried it on in a small too instead of extra small and fits better. I can definitely not wear underwear underneath this. Very see-through. I love it. This one is definitely very sexy. I love this situation here, but it does feel a little like unstable. I think I would need like a lot of stick tape to hold this together. I also don't know if the fabric looks a little cheap. I don't know. I don't think it looks as like classy as I wanted. I was like, oh, maybe for the wedding, but this is way too naked. Not happening. I really, really like this dress. It's like baby blue, kind of has this open back for the wedding, and I like it's like asymmetrical here. The only thing is it's a little too big. If I take it in a little, it would look really good. Let's see, I don't know. Maybe I can take it in before we go next. Okay, this is the last dress. It's very pink, but I don't know. This up here is not really going to stay. Like I don't really have a lot of boobs, but this is gonna fall out. So, yeah, not so much luck for the dresses for the wedding, but I do think that this dress for the event will be really, really hot. And for the makeup look, I was kind of looking at this. because I really love this photo of Emily. Kind of like the darker eye with brown and then maybe gold in the middle. I like it. So yeah, that's what we're going to do this afternoon. This is on my to-do list. I always do to-do for work and then to-do just for personal, I guess. Need to take some photos. We need to make a thumbnail for Nekohama. So add on some reels. I need to plan out the feed for Nekohama. I need to respond to some people, which I always need to put on the to-do list because I'm terrible at that. And I need to do some laundry. And I'll need to do this before 3 p.m. So yeah, let's get going. I'm hungry, so I'm going to make some brunch, lunch type of thing. Lately, I've just been throwing veggies in a pan with the protein and eggs and just keep it very simple. So yeah, I'm just gonna see what I have in my fridge. Let's see. Also, I love this giant IKEA thing where I save my carrots because I ate so many carrots a day. I love it. Sometimes I put a lot of effort into making my food look really good, and sometimes I just really don't care. Like right now, it's basically grilled veggies underneath, and then it has like spinach, 2 eggs, and then I have no idea if this is going to be a good combo, but I'm going to add a teaspoon of the truffle mayonnaise. This stuff is so good. If you love truffles, you're gonna be obsessed with this. It is not really healthy, so I'm just going to add a tiny spoon. I also don't know if this is gonna be a really weird combo or not, but I'm gonna put this in here. And the leftover. Everything with truffle is good. Lunch is ready. I have a lot more stuff to do. Kind of a weird combo, but kind of like it. Truffle mayonnaise, man. Changes everything. Ordered new suitcases and they look really pretty, but I don't understand. This is like the extra large, but I don't know, when you open it, it doesn't seem like you can fit a lot of things in here, because when you go on this side you have these things. I don't know, this is not gonna work for a big suitcase. Bummer. Wrapping it back up. The color's amazing though. So Lisa is here. Transformed the kitchen island into or makeup island. So we're gonna do kind of this bronzy, smoky eye look, maybe a little gold. The hair, we kind of, I don't know what to call this. Beautiful, just beautiful hair. So yeah, here we got our little setup and I'm gonna get ready. Alright, we are all hair and makeup ready. Kind of went for like a smoky eye with a nude lip. I love my new hair. I actually went to a hairdresser last week. Anyway, I'm running super late. Max is already downstairs in the car. Going to put a quick blazer on, grab my bag, phone. Let's go.
Hello.
Look at that. Wow, my man is all suited up.
I look like a caterer. Who makes that dress?
I'm not sure. Well, there we go. This feels more like a New York City line. So I was gonna say, this is like one of the first events we ever have in LA. A normal day in the life in LA is I'm in my sweats 24/7.
You're a mask, right?
Took some photos. Max already lost his tie. We're not used to this anymore. Oh, my butler got a seat for me.
Yes. Yeah, they're like, why are you dressed like this? I'm like, oh, I'm not invited. I'm her butler.
He was like carrying around my blazer. Like on the couch. I'm wearing this like super fluffy tracksuit from Helen and Feet. But yeah, we had such a lovely night. It was really fun to see like everyone dressed up. Everyone looked like so beautiful and so pretty. And it was just really nice that everyone like made a really nice effort, I would say. But yeah, that was my day in the life. Not very average, I would say, but I did want to like show you. Also, something I wanted to like talk about was Wellness Month. I think in November we're gonna do another Wellness Month because that was always like a really big success. And I think it would be just really nice to have like super wellness focused content, especially like right before the holidays and you know when the fall is around the corner. Let me know what kind of videos or certain subjects you would like to see. And I see you guys very soon. Love you.